when I sleep, spinning inside me. It's almost more than I can take. Baby, when you touch me, I can feel how much you love me. It's just as close me away. I've never been this close to anyone or anything. I can hear your thoughts, I can see your dreams. So in love with you, just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side, forever and ever. Sige, ayan. Magaling po, sige. With your sugar face in my heart. Oh, it feels like the first time. Every time I wanna spend the whole night in your eyes. But I can do what you do, so I never do. It's just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side, forever and ever. Every little thing that you do, baby, that makes me soft drinks na lang daw, soft drinks na lang. Soft drinks na lang, para po tayo out sa dito. That you go, so loving you. Yan o. Broken hearted yan. Sila siya, yan o. You always have abuse. Sila siya. Everything that you do, very amazed by you. Alam pa kaya natin si Ricardo? Oo. Alam mo tayo heartbroken ka para sa ito. Maraming salamat Sir Baldo ha. Alam mo napakabait ng boss nyo. Alam mo pati ako lilibre ako ng San Miguel. Oo. Pero hindi ako pwede tirahin kasi may almoranas ako. Sharing lang.
May Clorox kayo?
Ay, bossing! Naubos na po. Ito na.
Ilan taon ka na?
Secret! 8 years old!
Ay, ilan taon?
Ilan taon ka na nga?
Ilan taon ka na?
8 years old.
Ito to.
37. Magta-38 ako ngayon, July 26.
Advance, happy birthday!
Ano sa'yo? Ayan, para sa'yo bossing kasi heartbroken daw si Sir.
Oo, lagyan mo nila iniwan.
Actually, kahit malatang bakla kasi kaya ako ng bulatan kagabi. Oo. Kaya ako magtrabaho kasi ang itlog ko naging chemotherapy. Kaya kailangan ko magtrabaho kasi ang itlog ko naging chemo. Naglalala siya itlog yung buhok. Mas para sa'yo.
gusto mo taga ng pagsabi dila dito ka lang kami.
Without thinking.